Norfolk Southern grain train, led by, I think, a -9. Should be a -9. You see there, it's got green light on the bottom light, so it should be switching tracks, and it's going very slow, so I might get a good view of it. On the video can see it, but it's switching tracks. I don't know if we'll get one coming from the same way. Not sure. The Grain Porter 2000, I've never seen that before. Canadian National. That's the end of this video with Norfolk Southern 3666-9 unit leading a grain train with a freight car that says the Grain Porter 2000. You guys see it switch tracks. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Adventurer Ian. Stay tuned for more videos because you never know what we'll see down here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!